In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your ear pad cushions with the genuine Bose replacement kit for the QC35 Mark II noise cancellation headphones. When Bose first released these headphones in 2007, I got them right away and have been using them extensively since, every day, in every situation, sometimes up to 10 or even 20 hours. I might do a separate review on them at some point on why I love them so much. Anyhow, the fact that I have been using them so much means the cushions have worn out. At first it was cosmetic only, but eventually the foam has lost its shape and started to affect the sound and noise cancellation, so it's time to replace them. I struggled for a long time deciding between getting the official kit from Bose at $34 or around 25 UK pounds, or to get some third-party ones from Amazon for half or even third of the price. I was worried the quality wasn't as good for the knockoffs, and even the official Bose kits seemed to have low review scores. As you can see from this video though, I got the official ones and it was the right choice in my opinion. The parts are high quality and feels exactly like the original ones once they have been installed. My main concern with the knockoffs or even the replacement genuine kit might not be as soft or made with some weird material that might make my ear allergic, as I have quite sensitive skins. The installation process is very simple, although it seems scary ripping the ear cups off these expensive headphones, but give it a gentle tug on the sides and it will pop right off where you might discover some horrible gunk in them. I clean the outer headphones areas quite often, pretty much every time I use them, but the internal is a bit difficult to reach or just absorbs oil and other gunk over time. So yeah, perhaps I'll replace them sooner next time even if they are not broken. Carefully peel the inside fabric off and there might be some double-sided tape goo left behind. I use some alcohol to clean those off. Stick the new inner pads back on with the already attached double-sided tape. Carefully clip the new pad on, making sure all the little tabs are secured around the edges. Do the same for the other side and you're good to go. Honestly, it's such a massive transformation that I highly recommend you doing it if your QC35 are somewhat worn out. It's as good as new again and definitely helps to restore the sound quality and noise cancellation. In any case, thanks for watching as always. My name is Joe. If you found this video useful or interesting, please consider giving me a like, leave a comment, or by subscribing to my channel to show your awesome support. I will see you next time.